Well, most of us take good dental care for granted, but for thousands of Utahns, a visit to the dentist is no small undertaking. In today's Your Life, Your Health, Deanie Wimmer introduces us to Tyler Boyle, a 22-year-old with cerebral palsy who has learned to take nothing in life for granted, including his dental health.
There's nobody else I know that keeps pressing forward with a goal.
Tyler Boyle believes he can always do better.
He's got to get up and over this.
Tyler reminds us of that. He's really powerful that way.
Early each day, in this bountiful neighborhood, he rides his wheelchair a mile.
You know, sometimes he's done up to like 6 in one day, so 6 miles in a day of wheeling that wheelchair.
Friends, family, even strangers have taken notice.
Tyler is somebody that
Who looks up to?
people look up to you, that's right.
They look up to Tyler partly because he's found a way to give back. His wheelchair goals helped him raise $10,000 so his family could take wheelchairs to the disabled and poor in Mexico. This was October of last year, but that trip almost didn't happen.
3 days before we were supposed to take off, he was like, you know, Mom, my tooth hurts and it's waking me up at night.
That's a very underserved patient population, and Tyler's an example of that. So now we're trying to make a dent in that underserved patient population.
Knowing how risky travel to Mexico would be with an untreated problem, Dr. Mark Coleman was able to see Tyler right away.
We were able to go on the trip and we didn't have any problem.
At Ogden's McKay Hospital, Dr. Coleman is the director of Intermountain Healthcare's Special Care Dentistry Program. Begun in 2019, most of the care involves hospital and operating room-based expertise.
Patients with cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, autism, traumatic brain injuries, all of these folks that can't have dentistry in a traditional dental office setting.
The long-term hope is that more dentists and major providers will expand their services to patients with these unique medical conditions.
At some point, this won't be an underserved patient population, and that's the goal.
A goal Tyler and his family get behind.
And it's going to make Tyler's life better. And so we're
And easier.
Easier.
For Your Life, Your Health, Deanie Wimmer, KSL 5 News.